Hello friends, welcome back to another brand new Tumblr tutorial. If it's your first time here, hi, my name is Mal and I make Tumblr tutorials here on YouTube. In today's video, we're going to be making a cup that is inspired by the song that I cannot get out of my head, and I'm sure that a lot of you feel the same way. We are going to make a cup inspired by Miley Cyrus's new song, Flowers. Now, since this song came out, I have been that's like all I've been listening to. I hear it in my sleep. I'm singing it while I'm cooking. I'm just like all the time, I can buy myself flowers. I won't bore you guys with my singing because you'll leave. But anyway, so that's what we're going to be doing today. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you do, make sure you hit the thumbs up button down below. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button too so you don't miss any of my new videos. As always, I will have a full supply list listed down below in the description box. I'll also have links to all of my social media pages, including my Facebook group. And if you'd like to join my exclusive mentorship group, MBMM Elite, and be in the Elite fam, I'll have a sign up link down below for you as well. Okay, I think that's it. I really hope you guys enjoy the video. Let's go. All right, we are starting with a prepped painted white 20-ounce skinny straight tumbler from Craft Haven. I've got a thin coat of epoxy on it, and I'm going to use the epoxy method, of course, to apply my glitter. Now, the glitter mix I'm using here is a custom mix that I made. I don't remember what's in it, but any white that has a little bit of iridescence or shift to it would work here. So some options that you have, or that I would suggest, are Frosty, Pure, or Luxe from Peachy Olive Glitters, but any white that you have will work totally fine for this. So I put the glitter on, and then I added 2 coats of epoxy to my tumbler to make it totally smooth for all of our vinyl work. Now, I made this decal that says I can buy myself flowers, of course, because this is Miley's song. So I did an offset of the decal, and I'm using this transparent glitter vinyl. This is from Craft Haven, and the color is Tangerine. I really wanted this to be a very kind of soft and pastel vibe here. I didn't want anything too harsh, so I'm going to do the transparent glitter, and then I've got regular just Oracal 651 soft pink vinyl for the top portion. Now for the bottom portion of the cup, of course, we are going to use a floral pattern. This one is by BAMF Custom Creations and Paint Between Dreams. The name of the pattern is Isn't She Lovely? And this is a transparent sheet of vinyl, so the glitter is going to show through and just make this look really pretty and soft and sparkly. So what I'm going to do here is take the offset for my decal that's going to go on the top portion of the cup. I'm going to put that on my cup so I can estimate how much of this floral pattern I can show on my tumbler. I'm also going to do a strip of glitter in the middle in between the vinyl and the floral vinyl. So I'm keeping that in mind as well. And I'm just taking some blue painter's tape and taping off that section of the cup so I know how big I want my floral section to be. Then I'm going to cut my pattern vinyl down so that it will fit in that section of the cup. Once I've got my vinyl trimmed down to size, I'm going to take a piece of blue painter's tape to help me secure one edge of it to my tumbler. This is just going to help me make sure it stays in place and that everything stays lined up as I apply the vinyl to the cup. So you can see there also at the bottom, I've got a little tiny bit of excess. I don't want this to hang over the edge. I just want it to be kind of like a nice little strip. So we're going to leave a little sliver of room at the bottom of the cup, if that makes sense. Once I've got the vinyl in place, I'm going to peel back about 1 inch to 2 inches of the backing, cut that away, and then adhere that 1 sliver of vinyl to my tumbler. And then I'm going to take the felt edge of my vinyl scraping tool and just push the vinyl onto the cup, and I'm pulling the backing away in the process. This is my favorite technique for applying pattern vinyl. I'm sure you guys know that by now. I do this all the time, but it really helps prevent bubbles and wrinkling and just gives you a nice easy vinyl application. So once I get almost to the seam, I'm going to remove that blue painter's tape and then push the rest of the vinyl onto the cup. And now what's nice about this pattern in particular, and the fact that it's transparent, is that you can't really see the seam. So I'm going to cut off this excess vinyl here, and I'm just going to cut a wavy line. I feel like that kind of helps camouflage the seam a little bit. So once I've done that, I'm going to remove that top piece of tape and we're going to apply our decal for the top portion. I'm going to start with the transparent Tangerine vinyl, and then of course I'll apply the regular decal portion in the soft pink right on top. Now that we've got our decal applied, we can go in and apply the glitter to this middle section of our cup. And to do that, I'm going to use this double-sided adhesive tape. I got this in a pack on Amazon. I will have it linked down below in the description box. And this is 1 inch thick. So I'm just going to place it right on top of that vinyl edge. And we're going to just go in and glitter this. We're not going to base coat or worry about anything like that because I want this to be really soft and pastel. We're going to use the white base for our glitter, and the glitter we're going to use in this middle section is Fuzzy Navel from Peachy Olive Glitters. It's a really pretty fine cut peach color. So I'm going to remove that top portion protecting the adhesive from the double-sided tape, and then I'm just going to go right in with Fuzzy Navel. Once I've got it on, I'm going to brush off all of the excess that I can, make sure that we don't have any of this glitter in any other place than it should be. And then right away, because this is double-sided tape, you don't have to wait for anything to dry. I'm going to seal it with my Crystalac glitter glue and water mixture. Once I've got that on, I'm going to apply my final coat of epoxy, and then for some reason, I think I might have accidentally deleted the footage of me applying my striping to all of these sections, but I used silver textured metallic vinyl from Cricut, and I cut my strips at 0.07 inches wide, so really thin, and I applied them to the edges of the glitter and then one on the very bottom of the cup at the end of our pattern vinyl. After that, I applied my final coats of epoxy, and here is the final result. I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. As always, let me know what you think down below in the comments, and if you did enjoy the video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of my new Tumbler tutorials coming up, and that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate you guys. You are the absolute best, and I will see you guys in my next one. Okay, love you. Bye.